Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel English Learning Academy. Today we want to learn 35 common mistakes in English and improve your speaking. Let's start. Number 1. Afraid of, not afraid from. For example, don't say Laura is afraid from the dog. Say Laura is afraid of the dog. Number 2. Angry with, not angry against. For example, don't say the teacher was angry against him. Say the teacher was angry with him. Number 3. Aim at, not aim on or aim against. For example, don't say she aimed on the target. Say she aimed at the target. Number 4. Arrive at, not arrive to. For example, don't say we arrived to the village at night. Say we arrived at the village at night. Number 5. Anxious about, not anxious for. For example, don't say they're anxious for his health. Say they're anxious about his health. Number 6. Ashamed of, not ashamed from. For example, don't say he's now ashamed from his conduct. Say he's now ashamed of his conduct. Number 7. Believe in, not believe to. For example, don't say we believe to God. Say we believe in God. Number 8. Careful of, or careful with, or careful about, not careful for. For example, don't say Jack is very careful for his health. Say Jack is very careful of or about his health. An example for careful with: you should be more careful with your money. Number 9. Travel by train, not with train. For example, don't say he traveled with the train yesterday. Say he traveled by train yesterday. Number 10. Covered with, not by. For example, don't say the mountains are covered by snow. Say the mountains are covered with snow. Okay guys, before we start the next one, if you enjoyed this video up to now, please subscribe my channel, like me and hit the bell. 11. Consist of, not consist from. For example, don't say a year consists from 12 months. Say a year consists of 12 months. 12. Confidence in, not confidence to. For example, don't say I have great confidence to you. Say I have great confidence in you. 13. Depend on, not depend from. For example, don't say it depends from her. Say it depends on her. 14. Die of an illness, not from an illness. For example, don't say many people have died from malaria. Say many people have died of malaria. 15. Different from, not different than. For example, don't say my book is different than yours. Say my book is different from yours. 16. Divide into parts, not divide in parts. For example, don't say I divided the cake in 4 parts. Say I divided the cake into 4 parts. 17. Dressed in, not dressed with. For example, don't say the woman was dressed with black. Say the woman was dressed in black. 18. Fail in, not fail from. For example, don't say Mike failed from math last year. Say, Mike failed in math last year. 19. Full of, not full with or full from. For example, don't say, the jar was full with oil. Say, the jar was full of oil. 20. Good at, not good in. For example, don't say, my sister is good in math. Say, my sister is good at math. 21. Interested in, not interested for. For example, don't say, she's not interested for her work. Say, she's not interested in her work. 22. Jealous of, not jealous from. For example, don't say, he's very jealous from his brother. Say, he's very jealous of his brother. 23. Leave for a place, not to a place. For example, don't say, they're leaving to England soon. Say, they're leaving for England soon. 24. Live on, not live from. For example, don't say, he lives from his brother's money. Say, he lives on his brother's money. 25. Look at, not look to. For example, don't say, look to this beautiful picture. Say, look at this beautiful picture. 26. Married to, not married with. For example, don't say, Sarah was married with a rich man. Say, Sarah was married to a rich man. 27. Opposite to, not opposite from. For example, don't say, their house is opposite from ours. Say, their house is opposite to ours. 28. Pass by a place, not pass from a place. For example, don't say, will you pass from the post office? Say, will you pass by a post office? 29. Play for a team, not play with a team. For example, don't say, he plays regularly with that team. Say, he plays regularly for that team. 30. Please with, not please from. For example, don't say, the teacher is pleased from me. Say, the teacher is pleased with me. 31. Popular with, not popular among. For example, don't say, John's popular among his friends. Say, John's popular with his friends. 32. Prefer to, not prefer from. For example, don't say, I prefer a blue pen from a red one. Say, I prefer a blue pen to a red one. 33. Proud of, not proud for. For example, don't say, he's very proud for his promotion. Say, he's very proud of his promotion. 34. Sit at a desk, not sit on a desk. For example, don't say, the bank manager was sitting on his desk. Say, the bank manager was sitting at his desk. 35. Spend on, not spend for. For example, don't say, I spend a lot of time for my computer. Say, I spend a lot of time on my computer.